Hey guys, it's day 6 and I'm still going strong, so let's begin.
Arts Workfly. In this video here, I'm basically doing practice runs on using the Indian ink, testing out different lines, what kind of texture I can get from using the Indian ink, and so on. I feel that once you know what you're doing, you can create some great masterpieces with the Indian ink. It's very easy to use. So here I'm just practicing using the Indian ink. For this drawing here, the camera wasn't recording, so sorry about that. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.